Okay, on this page that says the real number family tree, trim around the edges. We're going to fill it in first, and then we'll glue it in. It works better that way. Sometimes it's easier to write so you don't have a chunk of glue behind somewhere that you're writing. So, at the top, it starts with the set of real numbers. In the video that you watched yesterday, they did that as the umbrella because everything falls under that category. Therefore, every number in the 8th grade, we will classify as a real number. So the definition that you're going to write, and it's okay if you go outside of the box because this is a little box. Just ignore that and write where you need to. It is the set of numbers that include all rational and irrational numbers. The examples could be -3, 0, 5, pi, the square root of 7. Those are all real numbers, all numbers that you could work with in this class. Okay, we're going to go down here to where it says rational numbers. The definition is can be written in a fraction the denominator cannot be 0. Decimals can repeat or terminate. Terminate means stop. So a terminating decimal would be like 0.25. It doesn't keep on going. It stops right there in the hundredths place. Repeating would be like 0.3 repeating. And then, of course, any fraction that doesn't have a 0 in the bottom. So let's say 9/11 are your examples. Okay, so real numbers has rational numbers. Rational numbers has integers, which are positive and negative numbers, and the number 0. So much like we did on the other page, you can say your example is -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, ... Integers. Integers has a subset called whole numbers, and that is the counting numbers and 0. So it starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, ... Natural or counting numbers, you just have to think of kindergarten. In kindergarten, you started counting. So it is positive numbers that does not include 0. So we'll just start with counting on our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, ... Okay, the definition of irrational numbers is when written as a decimal the decimal will not repeat nor terminate. So it will not repeat a pattern and it will not stop. Our main example that you can always think of is pi. Alright, so you are now going to glue this right behind the one that we just glued in. So we just did this, turn the page. On the back of that page, over here on the left, you can glue that down right now.